Hello, today I have a shorter and more relaxed video for you. And the video is about something I've been kinda thinking about recently. That thing is grenades. I already decided on the fact that I want grenades in my game, and on the fact I want them to be launched using a button, instead of them being a separate weapon like in Half-Life. I was showing the grenade system to my friend, and he suggested I add grenade cooking. If you don't know what that is, it's purposefully not throwing an armed grenade, so once it's thrown, the enemy has less time to react. I did end up making a cooking system. It will count how long you've been holding the grenade button for, and then subtract that time from the explosion timer. It works fine in the game. I even added a bit of a buggy counter to show you how long you've been cooking the grenade for. Unfortunately, the more complex the system is, the more can go wrong with it. For starters, there's no way to uncook a grenade, which is realistic, I guess, but is it good for the gameplay? Should committing to your grenades be part of the risk factor, or should the player be allowed to change their mind? What if they press the button by accident? Another problem is that the loading bar is separated from the actual grenade loading, so the bar will go up even if you cannot throw a grenade, either because of cooldown or just you run out of them. I'll have to make some code to ensure the bar doesn't go up if you have no grenades. And while all of these things are easy enough to do, I constantly ask myself, do I really need this? Do I need to add this arguably complex grenade cooking system? How many players will actually use it? Would the players start to rely on their grenades too much if they're too convenient to use? How easy should it be to use a grenade? And many other things that make me question myself. As unsatisfying as it might seem, the answer is we'll find out, because there's no way to actually know how it's going to play unless a bunch of people play it. And for all the educated guesses I'm making, only the actual player feedback will be able to put a conclusion on the system. This video has no greater goal, it's not educational, doesn't reveal anything spectacular, but I feel like it's a big deal for me right now, as this is one of the first decisions where I have no idea whether the work I'm putting in is actually necessary, and I won't know for a long time. But that's fine. Video games are a hands-on experience, and I'll have to change, improve, remove, and add, and this whole process starts now, with this grenade.